First level of leadership is your personal leadership. That is your personal development. First level. And this is chronological level. You cannot go to next level without conquering your previous level. That's why the first thing is your personal development. Your personal development means your relationship with yourself. What is your relationship with yourself? The keyword here is trustworthiness. You have to create trustworthiness. Means honesty, imandarita, trustworthiness. You have to have this, right? First, खाली झुटको खेती गर्दै गरेछ भने you are not going to be a leader. देखावटीमा त leader होला, but you are not going to be true leader. So, victory first, personal, then interpersonal. Interpersonal means your relationship with your friends, your family, your teachers, your parents, whatever. With two people, right? Interpersonal, your relationship and interaction with others. The keyword here is trust. पहिला आफू trustworthy भयो भने त trust हुन्छ, right? If you are not trustworthy, no one is going to trust you. Is there anyone going to trust you? No. That's why the first thing to be trusted is having trustworthiness. Trustworthiness. If you have trustworthiness, people will trust you. Then if people trust you, then the next level is managerial level. Now you are in managerial level. Manager. College बाट corporate मा गइसके पछाडी you will be manager, right? Then if you go to corporate being a manager without having these two quality, then you will degrade into non-executive post. Manager त बनाएको हो तर कामै गर्न सकेन भनेर you will be degraded. That's why if you want to maintain your managerial position, if you want to go upward from managerial position, then you have to develop these two skills before entering to the corporates, right? Then when you enter to the corporates, then you will have to use this third level managerial leadership. That is your responsibility to get your job done with others, right? You have to get the job done with others. Managerले भनेको अरूलाई काम गराउन सक्नुपर्छ. If you don't have these two qualities, other people are not going to follow you. हुन्छ भन्छ एकछिनपछि हिँडिदिन्छ. सरै भ्याउँदै भ्याएन यस्तो भयो उता भयो यो भयो excuses. Why? Because you don't have trustworthiness. That's why your friends, your followers don't trust you. If they don't trust you, they are not going to follow you, and your managerial post will be degraded into non-managerial post, and you will blame others. किन भएन काम भन्दाखेरि फलानाले कामै गरेन, you will blame others. Managerial level मा पुगिसके पछाडी then you have to go to this fourth level, that is organizational leadership. That is organizational leadership. That is organizational leadership. If you successfully complete your managerial duty, then you will go to organizational leadership position. The keyword here is alignment. You have to align to all the people and all the tasks in the organization. Organizational leadership means you will be in the topmost position of the organization. For example, this Atlantic College, right? Very beautiful, very wonderful college, Atlantic College. We all have to be proud of this being Atlanticians, right? The heart of this Atlantic College is deeper than Atlantic Ocean. That's why one more time, congratulations for being here in the right platform. I don't know in detail about this Atlantic College, but I know one thing, that is this college is good. Why? Why I know this college is good? Because of these beautiful people, first. And second is management. The most important thing is the college, the organization which conduct these sort of sessions, they are themselves good organizations. Average organizations, they don't invite us. चलिरहेछ पैसा आइरहेछ विद्यार्थीबाट किन एक्स्ट्रा खर्च गरिरहनु मान्छे बाहिरबाट ल्याएर. Average organizations are doing this, and this organization is inviting us. This means this organization is leading market. This organization is beyond competition, creating monopoly in the market. That's why we all have to be proud of being Atlanticians, deeper than Atlantic Ocean and busier than Atlantic Ocean. This is the busiest ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and this is also. Okay, you all have to go through all these 4 levels in chronological order. And now I would like to talk about leadership. Leadership is inside out. Leadership is Leadership is not outside in, leadership is inside out. Now I would like to request camera person to focus on these people. Leadership is inside out. Do like this. Leadership is inside out. एकैचोटि. Leadership is photo आइरहेछ. Leadership is leadership is not outside. Leadership is not. Leadership is. Thank you so much. Leadership is inside out.